very excited to try. So today I am going to be doing my review and trying out these products for the very first time and giving you my first impression. This is the Blossom Oil by Nay's Pretty Girls. This is a black-owned business, a new black-owned business that has just come out. You can follow her on Instagram at NPG Hair, and I'm also going to link her Instagram account in the description box so you guys can check her out, as well as her Facebook page. She sells lashes, she sells bundles, she does makeup, and she also has her new natural hair product line that's coming out. So check her out. She's very passionate about what she does. So this is her Blossom Oil that I'm going to be trying, and I also have a scalp scrub. I'm really excited to try this because I've never used a scalp scrub, so I'm excited to see what that's going to be like. So as far as her Blossom Oil, I'm just going to go over the ingredients. It contains jojoba oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, and it helps promote healthy hair growth and stimulates follicles. And it comes with, it's a total of 4 ounces. This is just like a sample size. It comes with 4 ounces in it, and this is a pretty good amount of oil because this is meant to be like a pre-poo. So you're going to see in the video, I'm going to be applying it to my scalp, and I'm going to massage it in since it has those oils, and that's how you stimulate your hair follicles, by massaging in. Okay, so the scalp scrub, natural ingredients. It contains brown sugar, rosemary oil, lavender oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, tea tree oil. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So those of you who are not familiar with pre-poos, the purpose of pre-poos is to give your hair, so pre-poo, you're doing this before you actually shampoo your hair. So the purpose of it is to put moisture in your hair. That way when you go through the shampoo process, your hair won't be too dry. So it's like a way to prepare your hair for the shampoo process. That way you still have some oils in your scalp, even though you are washing out your hair, even though you're shampooing your hair. Now that I have sprayed down my hair with some water to soften it, I'm going to go ahead and apply the pre-poo oil, the Blossom Oil. So it says apply a small amount to the scalp, massage in, or use a scalp stimulating brush for at least 5 minutes. Repeat as often as desired. So you don't have to just use this as a pre-poo. You can use this to also moisturize your hair, to moisturize your scalp as needed. You only apply it to the scalp. So you don't have to just use it for a pre-poo. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna just open this and smell it. Definitely, let me see what I would kind of say. I smell more so the rosemary because it's an essential oil which tends to have stronger smell. So right now I'm just applying it through my hair, my scalp. scrubbing your scalp for 10 minutes. Brown sugar, rosemary oil, lavender oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, and tea tree oil in it. Scalp. This is how it's looking. It's very clean. My hair feels soft. It feels moisturized. My scalp feels rejuvenated. It really does after using the scalp scrub. It's just like if you was to use an exfoliating treatment on your skin. That's how my scalp feels. My scalp does not feel itchy. It feels moisturized. It feels clean. I am very satisfied with using Nate's Pretty Girls products, the natural scalp scrub and the blossom oil. I really enjoy using both of these products. They're very moisturizing. They feel great. It cleanses your hair. It doesn't make your hair feel stripped or anything. My scalp really does feel